Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lydia. Today we are doing hair growth shampoo, how to make your own shampoo at home. Like if your hair is growing, you need a good shampoo to cleanse your scalp. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe for more videos like this. So we are starting with 3 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds, and at the end of the video you will know why I'm using these herbs for my shampoo. And then I follow up with 1 teaspoon of amla powder. Amla powder is also very nutritious for the hair. My last ingredient is hibiscus leaves. Like hibiscus leaves is so nutritious. I'll tell you the benefits later in the video. So I combine these 3 ingredients together and then I put them in a bowl, like a measuring cup as you see here. I then add about a cup of boiling water. This method can be done in 2 ways. Either you boil them or you add hot water and then wait for about 30 or 15 minutes for the herbs to infuse into the water. So I just like to add hot water so that I wouldn't need to boil or anything. I started to aid in the infusion so that the herbs will infuse faster. As this is going on, I get my black soap. This is what I'm using as the base for the shampoo. You need a soap content in it. You cannot just use the herbs to wash your hair. You need something that will cleanse your scalp. That's something that is cleansing. So then I get my black soap ready. Depending on how foamy you want it to be, and then you take the quantity of black soap. I don't want mine very foamy to the extent that I'll need to use so much water to rinse it out. I just need enough foam to cleanse my scalp. So I take about 1/6 or 1/10 of the quantity of black soap, and then I chop it into smaller sizes. And then I add it to my seeds, my fenugreek, hibiscus, and then amla powder. So yes, now why should you use these herbs in your shampoo? So hibiscus acts as a natural ultra emollient that keeps moisture in your hair and prevents your hair from becoming dry and frizzy. Hibiscus leaves and flowers contain a high amount of mucilage that acts as a natural conditioner and restores elasticity in your hair. It makes your hair silky and smooth, and it prevents split ends. It's good to strain the hairs from the black soap so that you don't wash, you can't be washing your hair with so much herbs. It is going to get locked in your hair and you don't want that to happen. So as I pour the strained herbs in infused water into the black soap, I wait a while for it to dissolve. Like it has to dissolve completely before you can use it. It is important to strain this because we all know that black soap is gained from cocoa ash, like it's gained from ash, so there's still some sand or stone residue in it, so you really need to strain it, else you'll be washing your hair with sand and stones in it. Moving forward, fenugreek seeds are rich in protein and nicotinic acid content. It is also good for your hair because it's able to fight hair fall and dandruff. It also treats dry hair, controls balding and hair thinning. So that is how come I'm adding fenugreek, because it has amazing benefits to the hair. Finally, amla powder is like an Indian product. I always see amla on Indian products. Why am I using amla? So amla powder can raise the level of sebum production, which can help get rid of dandruff, scalp itchiness, and other scalp related issues. I'm adding honey because I want it for the humectant properties. Honey really makes your hair manageable. It makes your hair grow. It also moisturizes the hair so that it doesn't rip off all the oils in your hair. It's also good to add oil to your hair, to your shampoo, so that it's not so dry. Even after washing your hair, you realize that there's a bit of moisture in your hair. It doesn't leave your hair completely dry. That's how come I'm adding olive oil to it. So going back, amla powder acts as an excellent toner for the hair. It strengthens the hair and makes it resistant to dryness. So imagine all these goodies in your shampoo. You should know that you are really going to have a lot of benefits. Like you should know that you are really going to have a lot of benefits. From here, you can decide to add any fragrance of your choice. Like you can add fragrance, but I'm not adding fragrance because I don't really need a fragrance. But you can decide to add fragrance, any fragrance of your choice, just to smell good. You can either put your shampoo in a freezer so that when you're ready to use it, you set it down to thaw for about let me say 30 or 40 minutes, or let's say an hour before using. Or you can leave it without it being in the fridge for about a month, or even sometimes 2 months, because it's soap. And I don't know, I've used it for a while and it still hasn't gone bad, so sometimes it's soap. But it's better to be safe than sorry. So you can put it in the freezer so that you can restore its shelf life into a longer period. Yeah, so guys, this is how I use my shampoo. I prepare my shampoo. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up to give me more encouragement to do something beneficial for all of us. My name is Lydia once again. If you are new to the channel, please do well to subscribe. Till next time, bye.